Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. It is currently in the night time today and reorganized by bookshelves. But before we do that, we are opening Day 20's book. Today's book is The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I don't know if you missed this. We have, I think I've got a set. Ron Weasley, silver, on a broom. Okay, as you could see, in my series bookshelf, it's only going about 3.5 shelves out of the 6. And then my other one, it's decently almost full. Which I understand, which means I'm just hearing it as I can buy more books. So, I might. No, I won't. But it at least lets me know, of course, when I start reading my Vlogmas books, then they'll be going into their desired spots on the bookshelf, and that will of course move the books into certain places. And if I start reading the first book in the series but I need the second or third or fourth, and those get bought, then of course it'll move down the end by the time all the series gets done. Yeah. So, I hope you did enjoy. It was a little bit boring, but just need something simple for the day. And yeah, day 20, almost Christmas. So that will be happening soon. Bye guys. Today's book is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Evelyn. Today's book is The 7 Husbands. Oh, wow. The 7 Husbands of Evan. Why is today's book a struggle to say?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.